Can you tell us about printed electronics?
Printed electronics is a set to describe different set of printing techniques such as screen printing, inkjet, flexo printing, and other printing techniques to enable printing on different substrates.
What are the benefits with printed electronics, you say?
There's a lot of benefits, first off. One of the most ones is that it's very mass production friendly, to say, because you do have the opportunity to have a high output of products because we do the roll-to-roll manufacturing process, which basically means we have a fast production line with a high output of products and also low waste of material.
It's not a requirement to do mass volume only, right?
No, we have the flexibility to do low production as well, because we do have amazing prototyping facility, but we have the capabilities to do it all.